Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to the beautiful country of Vietnam, one of the first things you'll need is a tourist visa. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Vietnam tourist visa online step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to the official Vietnam e-visa website. Make sure it's the official government site to avoid any scams. The URL for the official site is in the description. Step 2. On the official site, you'll see an option called For Foreigners. Click on that to begin your application process. An e-visa is one of visa types issued to foreigners by Vietnamese Immigration Department via electronic system. Vietnam e-visa is valid for maximum of 90 days, single or multiple entry. Step 3. On this page, you can see what you require to apply for an e-visa. You need to have an image of your passport data page and a photograph looking straight without glasses in white background. Your application fee is $25 for single entry visa and $50 for multiple entry visa. Step 4. In this page, you need to upload a scanned copy of your passport's data page and a recent passport-sized photo. And next, fill out your personal information and all the important information which are marked as red asterisks. Lastly, make sure to fill out trips expenses, insurance section. Once all your information is filled out and your documents are uploaded, click Review Application and then carefully go through the whole application to make sure the information you have provided is correct. Step 5. Finally, when you click the payment, you will be given a payment portal to pay the e-visa fee payable by credit or debit card. After submitting the visa payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with a registration code. Step 6. Processing time is typically 3 business days. Once your visa is approved, you'll get another email with a link to download your e-visa. Print a copy to carry with you when you travel. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the stunning landscapes and rich culture of Vietnam. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos and tips.